Hey team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to round 2, where we're going to be doing more math, a lot of math from all the different teacher certification exams. Use this stuff to make it a game, have fun, and learn a whole lot of math you're going to need to pass your tests. Let's take a look at our first set of problems. Let's have fun. Let's go. Hi math team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. We're going to look at a couple of key ideas involving geometry that are essential for these set of problems. Now, they're all going to be involving angles. I want you to take note on each rule. Okay, team, now we have a really fun one. This one involves corresponding angles. So remember that rule. If you haven't, you should review it right now. But I want you to remember corresponding angles. We have two parallel lines crossed by a transversal. We're going to use that with this one here. But I want you to take a moment now. I want you to read this question, okay? Read it to yourself so we can do it together, okay? Do it now. Okay, you're back? All right, team, now this is a problem involving two parallel lines. You see that? And whenever you think of two parallel lines, I want you to think of corresponding angles. So let's go back and review. Think about what you know about corresponding angles, right? Think about it now. Think about it. We have here two parallel lines crossed by a transversal. And that means that corresponding angles, like if this is 120, this is also going to be 120, right? That's the rule for corresponding angles, right? Now look at this question. I know it's not immediately clear, but do you see how we have a line here? We have two parallel lines. And if we extend out this line, it's not there. We have to actually mentally draw it in. But if we actually mentally draw it in, right? Okay, and we draw that line in, we actually have corresponding angles. Or at least we can use that rule. We have two parallel lines crossed by a transversal. This is 120. Guess what? This angle here is going to be 120, right? And we also know that if this is 120, guess what? Because the opposite angles of vertical angles are equal, this is also 120. So this would be 122. And guess what? If this is 120 and this is 120, this is 60. And that means that this angle is going to be equal to this angle. And that's actually really what we're going to use here. Okay? Do you see how I got the 60? Two angles form a straight line. So this is 60. Now you're probably saying, "Hey Chris, I see a triangle." Right? Let's zoom in on that triangle for a moment. Let's zoom in. We have a triangle. This angle here, if this is 90, this is also 90, right? We just found out through corresponding angles that this is 60. So what is this angle here? Well, if 90 plus 60 plus this equals 180, then this angle here, we could work that out. 90 plus 60 plus, let's call this A, is equal to 180, right? 90 plus 60 gets us what? 150 plus A is 180. A would have to be 30, right? So that 90 plus 60 plus 30 equals 180. Y plus 30 equals 180 minus the 30. Y has got to be equal to 150. Who got it? Okay, look at all the math here. We got corresponding angles. We got interior angles of a triangle. We got all sorts of supplementary angles. We got all this math going on. We got vertical angles. We got, you name it. This has got a lot of that math there, right? Team, now go back, draw the lines, try and figure this one out on your own. Try and get to that y. There's other ways to solve this, okay? But try and do it the way that we did it, okay? Because I'm sure that's going to be like one way of many that you can get to the y, okay? All right, team, I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, give it a big thumbs up. You know, there's not that many teachers that enjoy geometry like this, and you may be one of them. And if you're one of the few, like the video so it gets to another teacher that likes this stuff, okay? Maybe check out a GOHacademy workshop. These are workshops for elementary, middle school, and high school teachers. I'm sure you're going to find these stuff helpful. The live class is really, really cool. So check it out and like the video, share it with a friend. Okay, team? All right, take care. My name is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. I hope you have a great day, team. Take care, team. Bye-bye. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give it a big thumbs up. Believe it or not, there's not a whole lot of teachers out there that are taking these exams. You're one of the few. So if you like it, you learned something, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend. Maybe check out a workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com at www.GOHacademy.com. I'm sure you'll find those live workshops that we hold very helpful. So check it out. All right, team. This is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Everyone have a great day. I'll see you in class. Take care, team. Bye-bye.